A copywriter tweets about working 30 hours straight and then dies the next day. Diran, she basically is a copywriter, regularly goes on Twitter and Tumblr to talk about how ridiculous her work hours are. And in one of her tweets, she tweets the following: 30 hours of working and I'm still going strong, is what she says. She's an employee of Young and Ribcam in Indonesia. Well, after tweeting that, a day later, after making that tweet, she suffered heart failure and slipped into a coma, which she would never wake up from. So she is now dead. It's unfortunate, but it is true. All as a result attributed to her overwork, them working her too hard. What happens to just working 9 to 5? Like, really though? Anyway, her company released a statement talking about how heavy-hearted they were about her situation, and blase, and talking about, where you can go to take part in the funeral ceremony. Now, this is not the first time this has happened. In May, Ogilvy Mathers in China confirmed a 21-year-old collapsed at his desk and had apparent cardiac arrest because he worked until 11 every day for a month. Is the work really that much? Do you really need that report right now? That's what I always want to ask these corporations. Do you really need that report right now? You really need to be done right now today? Really though? Is it that serious? Is it really? I don't believe so. I don't think it is. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm indeed wrong. And for Ogilvy Mathers and for this other company, Y&R Group, Indonesia, the report is worth the death of one of their employees. It's a sad, sad thing. Anyway, folks, before we get out of here, I want you to do me a favor. We're trying to get to 2 goals of February 1st. We're trying to get 5,000 Twitter subscribers and 1 million YouTube views. And we need your help to do it. Here's what you could do first. If you're watching us right now, go ahead and click that button below that says subscribe. If you're not watching us and you're listening to us, go to youtube.com/FowlerShow, hit that subscribe button. Now, here's how you help us get our 1 million views. Go ahead, if you like this video, email it, text it, tweet it, Instagram it, all those things to your friends or family so they could watch it too and enjoy in it. And if you do that, there will be a surprise.